Hi, how are you doing? I'm sure you're doing good. And again, I am live here for you to bring awareness about laziness. आप सबको लगता है कि आप बहुत लेज़ी हैं, आप किस तरह से अपने काम को बेटर कर सके और लेज़ीनेस छूट सके. So I have got couple of acupressure point for you that how to remove your laziness. Like we get up early in the morning, sometimes we don't even feel like getting up because we have low energy, we want to sleep more, बट वी हैव लॉट ऑफ पेंडिंग वर्क्स. बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है काम का, बहुत टेंशन हो जाती है कि मैं क्या करूं, मैं किस तरह से अपने स्ट्रेस को कम करूं और कैसे मैं अपने आप को बहुत बेहतर बना सकूं. सो आज का जो ये वीडियो लाइव चल रहा है वो स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए है कि आप अपनी लेजीनेस कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं. आई एम श्योर यू हैव सो मेनी questions about it, that how acupressure can help you to remove your laziness, right? So first of all, just write down in the comment that when do you really feel lazy, early in the morning or after your lunch or in the evening or before going to sleep. So you have to specifically find out the time when do you feel lazy, because every emotion has a reaction. So what is the time you have and why are you reacting at that time? What is the emotion behind this reaction? तो हर चीज़ के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ डॉट्स हैं जो बन रही हैं और हमें वो डॉट्स निकालनी है. That's why we will be able to find out that how you can live a happy, healthy and full of awareness ऐसी life, right? So first of all, I'm showing you my hands. This finger, you just need to hold it and press it like this. It's paining, even me also. You just need to, because there are meridians which can massage the whole body. And when you massage your whole body through your hands, what will happen is your body will get energized. Right? So make sure do it on regular basis. It is not just one time game that today you are watching the live show, you would like to do it, but tomorrow you will not do it. Do not do that. Just adopt these practices. जब आप ये सारी practices अपने life में adopt कर लेंगे, slowly and gradually आपको बहुत change मिलेगा, आपको एक different lifestyle मिलेगा which you can live. Trust me. Just enjoy doing it with me, right? So what we are doing is we starting with this finger and we just rolling it. आप ऐसे ऐसे घुमा रहे हैं उसे हर जॉइंट पे. यहाँ पे एक जॉइंट है, इसका आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा, यहाँ एक जॉइंट है, यहाँ एक जॉइंट है एंड एक बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पे है. जब हम इस तरह से जॉइंट हिलाते हैं तो क्या होता है कि हमारी पूरी बॉडी में अगर कोई पेन्स एक्स हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे पता लग जाती हैं. You can join my own online acupressure course as well, which is just 1 week course, and you can know so much about your own body and the body parts, that which is located where, which part of your palm they are located, and how you can cure on your own. It is specifically for your self awareness. So we just moving it. आप सब भी मेरे साथ करिए, घुमाते रहिए. Hi everyone to come on the show. I'm so happy to see all of you. You are the one who is making this The Asneha show a really amazing, likable show. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. You are a blessing for me. So you just pressing it. Press tightly. जितना आप टाइट कर सकते हैं उतना प्रेस कीजिए. हमने प्रेस करना है, छोड़ना है. हमने प्रेस करना है, छोड़ना है. हमने हल्का सा प्रेस करना है, छोड़ देना है. फिर प्रेस करना है, फिर छोड़ देना है. हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको करके छोड़ना है. एंड नाउ सेकेंड फिंगर, देन दिस फिंगर, देन दिस फिंगर. और आपको पता है जो लेजीनेस आती है वो हमारे मन से ज़्यादा आती है. यू डोंट फील लाइक वर्किंग. सो आपके राइट हैंड में जो मिडिल फिंगर है दैट आपको थोड़ा सा मेहनत उस पर करना है. राइट? Thank you so much for watching it. I'm sure you learn a lot. Please write that how are you Asneya. Yeah. My name is New Desire. It's a new beginning which I received in my meditation when by birth my name was Kavita Sharma, and this Asneya name came in my life in 2014. Just keep pressing it. Once you'll press it, I'm telling you once again, this middle finger, just keep on pressing the whole finger. Just press it. So this is the main issue of our letharginess. So you just need to press it and the whole body will get energized and your blood circulation will improve. Alright? And one more thing. We have a beautiful घर में ही घर की चीज़ों से बनाकर आप एक अच्छे से, जैसे हम पहले बोलते थे काढ़ा, वो आप बना सकते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर यू. कैसे बनाना है? आपने आंवला लेना है, उसको अच्छे से घिस लीजिए और घिसने के बाद आप उसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर सकते हैं शहद के अंदर. हल्का सा बॉईल कर लीजिए एंड देन हैव सिप. राइट? सो धीरे धीरे आप सिप कर करके 3 बार सुबह दोपहर शाम ले सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट विल हेल्प यू टू लेट गो योर लेजीनेस. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लेजी नहीं होते हैं बट हमारी बॉडी इतना एक कर रही होती है, बॉडी में अननेसेसरली पेन्स है, नीज़ में पेन है और आपकी पूरी बॉडी में आपको लगता है कुछ कमज़ोरी है, थकान है. सो हाउ वी डू इट, हम लोग वो थकान, ओके, we have a lot of pain sometime in the body and we don't feel like doing anything. So to let go that pain and aches, what you can do is take almonds, take makhanas, which is very very powerful and which is very good and very rich in iron and calcium. Take white semens like til, safed til, and take saunf, right? Just 1 spoon of saunf, 1 spoon of white til, and just take 4-5 makhanas and 4 badams, almond. Grind them well and just keep hot boiled milk, put it in this, mix it 2 spoons of that powder, mix it and drink at night. It will help you. It is so enriched with calcium, iron and multivitamins. It will help you a lot. Thank you so much for listening it, and any questions you have, you can please put your questions here. We would love to give you your answer about it. And anything else you want to know more about it, any kriyas that you are writing, you can please see on my page Asneya. There are all the demonstration of Kunjul Kriya is available. You can see it there. So any other questions which you have for kids, what you need to do is this mixture which I am telling you, just give them 1 spoon mixture in 1 glass of hot milk, and then let this milk, and then it will help you to, let go your laziness and lot of problems related to your iron, calcium deficiency, body ache, body pains and knee pains, everything get resolved. Trust me, you would love it. Alright? Anything else that I can help you with? Now, last but what else can we do? Just close your eyes and write down what are the goals that you are making for 1 week. What is your goal for 1 month? And what is the goal that you want to make for 6 months? Just start it from 1 week, 1 month and then 6 months. Just let me know how you're feeling when you are, reaching at each point of yours. Each destination when you will reach, you will feel confident. When do we feel confident? When we have done something, right? So when we have done something and we achieved a level, so that's you need to tell yourself, yes, I am such confident. So just close your eyes. Let's do some musical healing with Asneya. Just close your eyes. Take a long breath in. Allow yourself Long breath in. Now last time, breathe in. And now focus on your points, that when do you feel lethargy? When do you feel that you're not making any of your goal? How can you get into service? How can you help somebody out there? Just make a note of it. Close your eyes and imagine that how will you feel when somebody is coming and helping you? The same way that I am coming live and helping you out, whatever I have with. How can you help out someone? Whatever you have with, which you can happily contribute for yourself, for your society. I feel loved, I feel peaceful when I do something live, when I do something for you all. How do you can contribute in someone's life? So just imagine that, and imagine how are you feeling after that. Are you still feeling lethargy after this? Just close your eyes and just allow yourself to be in this music. Let your mind be calm. And just allow yourself to be in silence. I am focused. I am confident. I am happy. I'm so energetic. I'm really working. I want to empower myself. I want to change my own perception. I want to be happy, and I want to contribute in my life. Keep on thinking, keep breathing in, breathing out. I'm so thankful to myself. I'm so thankful to myself. I'm so thankful to my soul. I'm so thankful to my parents. I'm so thankful for being in my own self. I'm so thankful for everyone in my life. I'm so thankful for being in my own way. I'm so thankful to walk on this spiritual path. I'm so thankful to be one with God. And I'm bowing down to all of you who could spare your time to do your meditation with me, to connect with me. Thank you.